Welcome back, guys. This is another no deposit bonus video, and today we have a $50 no deposit bonus given away by this broker here. The broker is called Trex Markets, and as you can see here, I'm just going to give you information before you start joining up, guys. You don't need to join up before I give you the information here, and you will decide whether we're gonna go for this or we are not going to choose it. So you can see here they are saying you have to enter your mobile number and email address to create an account. And secondly, all you have to do is enter a verification code that will be sent to your email or your phone, whatever you choose. And the account will be successfully created, and you have to create a live account from then. And from then, you have to also upload your verification document to verify your account, and then you'll be created with that $50 no deposit bonus. But let's just look on the real terms and conditions, because there is something else that we need to know before we join up, guys. Are we going to deposit money? Are we going to do all these type of things? So let's go look it out, guys. As you can see, the broker website was well designed. It looks good, well designed, but does not prove the legitimacy of the broker. So what you have to do right now is to look here at the promotion that we are given. We are just going to click on activity details, guys. Once you come to the website, just click on activity details here, and as you can see, the November time limited new customer activity program is here, guys. And as you can see, they are saying that you will be given a $50 no deposit bonus, and you have to trade a minimum of one lot size, and then you have to do that within 12 hours. So you have to trade $50 with one lot size within 12 hours, guys. At the event condition here, guys, they are saying that fulfill the lot requirement of one lot and activate the account with account is not activated. If the account is not activated with 12 hours, the bonus will be and profit will be created up to zero. So they are saying that if you didn't activate your account within 12 hours, they are going to notify, or they are going to create your bonus to zero. What do they mean here? Verification of activating account require a deposit, guys, and that's what they said here. If we're gonna just check down here, we can see something like they are requiring us to deposit some money here so that we can withdraw, and they are saying that we can deposit uh, from $50. Just start at the reward condition restriction here, guys. So all they have to do, we have to deposit $50, then we can withdraw our profit, which is a maximum of 200 and a minimum of $30 that we can withdraw from this broker, guys. So you can just come to the website, guys. I don't want to waste your time. Just come to the website and read the information for yourself. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumb up. So let's go and see what this is all about.